Hello all, quick update on the work from home opportunity that we posted yesterday. We have received 2082 application and it is growing minute by minute. Thank you all for the trust and love that you have shown for this brand. And yes, we all can grow together now. The brand which was running under my name, now everybody would be partnering in this program, whoever has applied. Now please go check your email. We have sent out a form. We have also sent out detail about this project. This is a pilot project, so we have started that already. Tomorrow the training can be taken up. So whoever has not received email yet, or people who are still planning to do that, go ahead and still do, because we will start batch 2 after 1 or 2 weeks, so that we know what our mistakes are during the training or while running this project, and work better in the next batches. Again, thank you so much. Please do not forget to reply to the emails. Namaste. Bye-bye.